Henry McClure live. Look at this. This is the pre-inauguration ball. That's Liz Lanelle right there. Hey, you guys, if you didn't know, in a couple of days, Donald Trump is going to be our president. Y'all look nice tonight. The whole world changes. And we got to get involved here in Shawnee County. We got to make sure we got to put somebody new in Cedar Crest right now, baby. We better start thinking about it. This is just the beginning, baby. For the table? The table. Man, look at it. You know this song, the sales have gone through the roof. We are the inclusive party here, the Republicans, baby. We need your vote, baby. All right, that's all I got. Who's watching? Hey, Tammy, Trent, good to see y'all. We're at the rock garden out here, you know, the Cave McFarland. Oh, this is fun. At the end of the day, we all got to get along.